Hey everybody, it's Mr. Zabo. I wanted to provide a short video, just first of all summarizing what we did in class and talking about end behavior for polynomials. So the quick summary is that if we have an even degree polynomial that has a leading coefficient that is positive, the end behavior is going up in both directions, or y is going towards infinity on the left and the right. If it is an even number but a negative leading coefficient, then we have the end behavior going down on both sides. So this might be an example where I have something like 2x to the fourth power is my leading term. That has a positive leading coefficient of 2 and an even degree of 4, versus something that might be like a negative 3x to the fifth power. That's a negative leading coefficient with an, that shouldn't be fifth power, but sixth power, an even degree with a negative leading coefficient. And if the degree is odd, so I have x to the third power or x to the fifth power, when it's a positive leading coefficient like 6, then the end behavior is down on the left, or y goes to negative infinity as x approaches negative infinity, and up on the right. As x goes to the right or positive infinity, y goes up or positive infinity. If I have a negative, let's say negative 1/3 as my leading coefficient with an odd degree, it's the opposite of that. Up on the left, down on the right, or as x goes to negative infinity, y goes to infinity. As x goes to infinity, y goes to negative infinity. So that's the not so quick review of that concept. And then we didn't get to these practice problems. So if you have tried them, excellent. If you have not, maybe take a minute and hit pause on the video and check your answer to A and B. In a moment, I will unpause and show that work. So for part A, the degree is 3. Being an odd degree with a positive leading coefficient, the end behavior is like a line, has a positive slope, which means as x goes to the negative infinity, the left, y goes to negative infinity, it's going down. As x is moving to the right, y is moving up. So as x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity. And then also the degree gives us the maximum number of turning points. It's always 1 less than the degree, so there's a maximum of 2 turning points. Here's the answers for part B. Part C. Part D. And finally, part E. The next video will be about finishing this note packet.